enti na bia me ka kire mo say Ghana ha under no circumstance ana NDC NPP benya asem court na NDC be di nkunimu da da bi omu na buga NDC buga ye buga gada ya tiatia ye court omu they don't have any evidence no could do for omu na buga di social media no di ka beja boso na obekai say na asem bi court Supreme Court ya twe homanso concerning Kpandai Parliamentary seat Tamale High Court everybody say yen declare no vacant because NPP no win ye no omu bonyo so sa mu hwe mu no say there be clue because unti yan to aba no for e ma say go pie mu Supreme Court na busia eno na team no ba ye no NPP for arene Supreme Court has ruled in favor of NPP ama end this for na so ye tango computer na so ye you know and this for lawyer Martin Kwebu abekasa ama enseme na APP free ba ma nchiribu no akire wadwe ama me e wo comment section I Penyah block media mesro say any day mo obe like video no da ma boss subscribe button say break the key notification icon of latest update na be kire wadwe da ama me e wo comment section so ba so no je for anya bia hwe so 24 coalition mo no Kpandai electoral area on say honom na enipa mienu and a contest here on the ticket of NPP that is honorable Matunyendam and on the ticket of NDC honorable Daniel Nsala. At the end of the day, no, Matunyendam on the ticket of MPP and with a vote margin of 3,734. Obi Awene with vote margin of 3,734 votes. As na is into ububa percentage. Naturally say onya 53.31%. E wo hodo say wa win hands down. Wa win yankasa. Because even you see unya 50.1, 51% warren. 50 plus 1. 51% warren. Next will be a win 53.3. Massa warren. Emma you declare no winner. Emma tena kunyan swa almost a year. Now yeah on the 24th of November 2025 no. Anna yeah that's what who say Tamale High Court. I didn't say be about temo be because now ending for the assembly Tamale High Court said they be. Omo hwe na that day election day no Kululu because so just say Basabazu coin no and this opponent member to about almost throw a whole lot of issue they believe say that was election rigging you declare seat vacant na omunkoya rerun on 24th of November 2025 no ana ruling every Tamale High Court ever said there be said the election was easy call Kpandai electoral area hodom no especially the parliamentary elections no yenya rerun. It is Tamale High Court added this issue by Emma on the 27th November. No, the majority in the House of the Parliament were putting pressure on the Speaker. Said, "On declare Kpandai seat no vacant." Emma Speaker can say there be. It is so premature. Say ube declare seat no vacant because Emma from there no. Oh, 28th the same pressure by because even 2nd December now still the majority the NDC side of the Parliament were giving pressure to the Speaker to declare the seat vacant. But Nina next speaker so munya abutre yenya more finance it no accept no munya abutre but as na pressure AC Baniala and finally Speaker of Parliament declare seat no vacant so okay na say there you know ya enkoto abana foforo na electoral commission e wo preparation say obe not emu no ana MP waga say there be ade e koso Ghana ha no enya fe ase out of a sudden NDC ba ye no bibi omu person mo sisan ne ma bi ye bibi ngongonai bi because how can you tell us say Obia winning with votes with difference of 3,734 votes. Margin, Obia gap amount. Now we can say, we not what they say and found nullify seat in quiet rerun. Say, in fact, that didn't after your mark in your brepa. Now for your mark in your brepa, man is working now, and you're doing a woman. And I'm so almost the assembly echo court. Now, court now, they connect a bear say, any, also be a static campaign. Ewo, a hokoya, they are, you know, you have a call rerun. It's not both MPP and this, you know, Obia at air campaign, Emma, Tango computer crowd, a whole lot of issue and a poppy, a Mukra Bekaya, 15th December, and this is for as a Ika Hubie, Mujafa Bandi, Eka Hubie, Omgo Piemu, Kpandai, Ekoye, campaign, a honomono, Mobro Tissimo, Elbo when this Nibicuno, Femflam or Honomokai. Yes, and one problem when this new kuno honeymoon was not nature pet. Then this boy and the nature time, a yomu time. Emma Kaya, open up a cast and I just say, MPP work of a malam, ana malam na commande ma chese se bunu kwa ne kwase akeka eze bunu kwa eze bunu kwa ye commande for ebobro be budipa eze bunu kwa and the assembly go pie mu Supreme Court because NPP for any abrese there be dia ya se tie to mfa hodi so Ghana ha na mo e so mdo na see form because the law is the law muntimi family nation all because mu 2/3 of the house it no you muntimi family nation the assembly go pie mu Supreme Court e ba na obi e kan to be ka even on the 17th of January 2025 you cry no tango computer you obeka sai
why won say documents in the plan no we dey in him say safe January gazette notification kanda na ewu na gazette for all the constituencies and no na you see omukura na mufa gazette na eba MPP no mo dey ba electoral commission lawyer no mo no na cast down na e work time report why no mo to cast 24th na here yet to safe January won say omo be some questions and so we there concealment of document public document before the judge in the cry say and no cite on fraud on our affidavit we cite them for fraud when we are there ruling in November 28th we are very confident that we are winning this battle because we rely on public documents strategic document on 6th January and no using a file again and so they him say asam no na go see by a rerun so we are urging our supporters omunko campaign continue campaign yes stop campaign because you say rerun never
just na I say tango computer na agi asem no say what na agi abos the only PhD hold the only PhD holder in NDC onu na say agi asem na tade ni say obeka say o oya masa ye be ko 28 na 28 ye kwa iri mu say enkunim ebe ye dia e ma na be a whole lot of issue na busia 28 na jaba enya eba enra na enra ko pie mu Supreme Court no otemu for tiadwam e kire mu say sane asem esi kono wo ye no hwehwemu ni ade nyina no case na MP for file ye ese Supreme Court enya o machi na omu enkwahye judgment at Tamale High Court ediba ya say nullify Kpandai seat na sa declare seat ni vacant e wo panel house one no they should quash that ruling they should quash it omu tontwene kura twam na onabo nyindam ongo to na dwuma so e wo house one no e babusia enra ye call court one no Supreme Court ejina MPP for nechi amesia no Kpandai seat no it is given back to MPP Enra omu ebose.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, the court has just given its decision in the Kpandai matter. Is to the effect that the decision of the Tamale High Court, the Commercial Division, decided by Justice be quashed by a 4-1 decision. Now, as a party, we are aggrieved by this decision, and therefore we will advise our candidate in the matter regarding the next step to take. But the court is a court of equity, of law. We should be interested in the gazette notification published by the Assembly Press under the authority of the Electoral Commission that was brought to Parliament, for which people like me were sworn in.
A man na yedu sebi MPP for year court ni nim se mrano e ye side e be se mra say ye to abawia na ye publish results o 21 days say won tiasia o de back court NDC for within 21 days o man fan court 32 days na the assembly court and then MPP raise the issue said there be a kwan NDC for fasono enye sa na mra ne kire eti ye be nyina ye de nyenim se ye judges no ye de mra pa na ye adwuma there was no way o metima adane asem no ye kwa de ne ye pay unanimous decision won wa say presiding judge a dissent here so we are also waiting to see his reasoning for dissent because we know say we know it was a very straightforward matter and we are happy, at least we are happy say mra na ye adwuma, and it's not to the benefit of MPP alone. It's to the benefit of the country. At least we are protecting and safeguarding our democracy. And that should be the attitude and behavior of the bench. So we are grateful to the court for affirming our laws in this country. Madam As.
Said the right thing. So for that matter, Kpandai, we have been vindicated.
Computer, Crawford is who identify from Dr. Bio or Crawford is who buy a campaign, Kpandai. Brabaya campaign, Apua. What happened in Tamale Court? There was some kind of fishy things there. The judge took bribe. The Tamale Court judge took bribe.
You cannot substantiate.
I can substantiate. When the court started, I was there from day one. We appeared in the court 19 good times. 19 good times. They were not able to substantiate their case. But this guy took money. The guy took money. I'm telling you that the guy took money.
The judge cannot use the easy patient.
Now God has spoken.
The judge will not use that. Why do you not use the easy patient?
Na also omo se no na omo to be ede man tango computer because ono na kwaje gina mu campaign na no oye na wo se ke kansem gum ni ade e try attack na e concern man for be say TBB free tango computer num e di no tango computer ankasa na the computer mine or one kasa
court when him say we win because yes any your grievances yasem for two court no mo say yem bind there no mo rule you respect to court decision. Yeah, as a political party, we respect the decision of the court, but we disagree. We disagree because we feel that justice is not done to the good people of Kpandai. So we wait for the ruling. I said ruling, say, remember, on February 6th. Say, who ruling now? Reasoning now. Then we'll take it from there. But I can assure you, this is just the beginning of the matter. The one who say, ruling in the Tamale High Court. Polling station be na NPP omukonye 1,400 votes. Ebisu wo no omukonye 1,200. Wa wonim say polling station bia ni Ghana na e ko benye 1,400 votes. So obi nye sa no kotena parliament. No use backdoor means technicalities. No oba benye verdict. How can you respect this and accept such a ruling? But you see, we are a respecter of the law. The NDC is a respecter of the law. Yet they are a respected decision about, but we disagree because we are going to look at the reasoning and then we'll take appropriate action. What you say? So our supporters should be rest assured. The NDC will pursue this matter to its logical conclusion. It has not ended. We have a review option, and then we wait for that and listen to it, see the reasoning behind it. Ne safa akwan bi na ebefa justice eba Kpandai ho.
Emma no ano. NDC ni Honorable Daniel Nsala nanka yese ni 3 year nanka atimu bi gina chanka ye be korolo na bia na kwasa korwen no. Ono so edin same way atudwa.
Menim se Nyankopon a wobo nyina no onim de yema nyina. Oka ubisa ya osi na enim se baba wi. Enim se case na ruling high court ma ruling tamano. A case MPP form kasa onim se Oma UA election, Oma Regi election. But Omo Baha no man say election no I cast Oma Regi the court no and yan cry. Almost say you're fairly out of time. Say I say Omo got it within 21 days and I saw court. Now we're out of time. So they came here with technicalities. And asana de oho. Anna I can say you try say ruling the baba near share say be review na ebeti. But then person can say banda 4 omo kuma to you me domas ne support na the amame menim so ma to aba amame na omo agin ba force na NDC government enya government ye de ye be gina ha ne adidi judge for ato omo decision no ye force but ye be tima ka say ye twen na rule ne ba ne ya hwe say kwan be ho ya be fa na dia fa ye gina ha nka say omo na call high court no yenim se de omu agidi high court judge na atam anu ankra ananse no achin ko se omu attack CJ any judges ye de yentisa anti ye de invest say ya be odi ya be dura ha ye bomb price o man kwa bana fo me do ma se me do bia so we bia attach bia de wase
and then MPP for ebano obia se white and not just they knew it before they came, because maybe there is some collaboration between them and then them and our leaders. So we don't understand. So they should tell us the reason why this verdict.
Now, court in pass judgment, and what decided to say, court. And our opponent, the on him say, never abesi wa court in me, Urban was white, the MPs in the Chiba court. Then what does it tell you? It tells you they have a pre-judgment about it already. Entino fise yampeni for no omuni ya ndini.
Emma Honorable Matunyindam Ekasai.
First of all, let me say thank you to Almighty God for what He's done in my life, and to also thank my lawyers, and also use this opportunity to thank the Supreme Court judges for the ruling, because it's clear that the people wanted to change the will of the people of Kpandai, but the Supreme Court has affirmed the will of the people, and I'm most grateful to them. I also want to thank the party from the head to the bottom, that is national, regional, and the constituency, for the support they've given me. And the people of Kpandai, I'm sure that when you are in Kpandai today, you will see the joy of the people, because they voted for me and they expected me to serve them for the 4 years. I also want to thank His Excellency, the former Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, for the support he's giving me throughout. I am most grateful. May God add several years to his current years. And I know by the will of God, he will serve this nation one day. I am very grateful.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, first of all, let me say thank you to Almighty God for what He's done in my life, and to also thank my lawyers, and also use this opportunity to thank the Supreme Court judges for the ruling, because it's clear that the people wanted to change the will of the people of Kpandai, but the Supreme Court has affirmed the will of the people, and I'm most grateful to them. I also want to thank the party from the head to the bottom, that is national, regional, and the constituency, for the support they've given me. And the people of Kpandai, I'm sure that when you are in Kpandai today, you will see the joy of the people, because they voted for me and they expected me to serve them for the 4 years. I also want to thank His Excellency, the former Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, for the support he's given me throughout. I am most grateful. May God add several years to his current years. And I know by the will of God, he will serve this nation one day. I am very grateful. Everybody, very grateful.
Does it reaffirm your faith in the judicial system?
Our coming here is enough to show you that yes, we have trust in the judicial system.
Na atemo na by na the Supreme Court akasa wie no eno na Martin Kpebu so wonte ase no tirem say there is a way out. Oh, Supreme Court akasa enye fine na NDC for oka kire mo betimi after that case no betimi atwa to High Court of Appeal, but on there betimi shemu nku na ze betimi atwa so but don't me enganye ze hono be we na bi but o kire mo kwai as a legal practitioner say atewe na ba mu nsomu a there's a way out. Betimi atwa so akọ the High Court of Appeal, but on the want me I am sure mo say e ho no mo be kwa akọ na say we finally no NPP are running against NDC at the Supreme Court level concerning Kpandai Parliamentary seat here, Tamale High Court, and all the fire no. Next speaker, declare vacant. Our house for no more. Ubet wachira wa adwene amame. Comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.